Draw together a T-Rex. Let's make some dinosaur noises. Let's start with one big eye. And then, the dinosaur's head with its strong jaws and teeth. Now a tongue for him to taste his food, and then the rest of its teeth. T-Rexes had a big, scary body and a tail for balance. Oops! I forgot one of the dinosaur's eyes and its nostrils. T-Rex had tiny little arms. I wonder how would they scratch their heads? Okay. We have to continue drawing the T-Rex's chest and tummy. I imagine its tummy is soft and squishy, kind of like a lizard, a big, scary lizard. Well, since the T-Rex doesn't fly, it's going to need some legs. Big, strong legs with long claws. Wait, we have to finish the T-Rex's tummy and add some stripes. And for the final touch, fill in the T-Rex's eye and leave a white circle as a light. Yeah, like that. And 3 spots on the back of the head. I think we're finished. Nice job! Thanks for drawing with me.